In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the correct free AdBlocker browser app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So this process applies to both iPhone or even Android. But for this tutorial, I'm on Android smartphone, and therefore to get this app, you need to go to Play Store. But first, I'll uninstall the app so that you can see a step-by-step process. So to get started, go to Google Play Store, or if you are on iPhone, go to App Store and then log in with your Gmail account if you are on Android before you can search for your app. So I'll search for free AdBlocker. You can see it is here, and this will bring up this app. So tap on this first app, and before you install it, make sure you check the details. Make sure it is from AdBlock Rocket Shield Browser Technology Limited. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 931,000 reviews. So you can see it is massively used. It has a big following, and also you can see the current number of downloads is over 50 million. The current size is around 117 MB, so you'll need to have enough data, or if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you shouldn't have any issue. So this is the current logo. If you see these details, you will know that you have the right app. To get it now, tap on install to download the latest version of this free AdBlocker browser app, and then install it on your smartphone. Now once the app has been installed, you can proceed and open it from here to start using it. Or if you go to your apps, now you should be able to find it here. Open it, and this is the welcoming interface. Tap on continue to set up your account and start using this AdBlocker app. So that's how you can install free AdBlocker app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.